Continuity of consciousness exists after what we call physical death, as far as I'm concerned.
Do you think that spirit is something separate from us, that it exists separate from us, or is it intrinsic?
I think spirit is within us, and it is also separate from us. That is, it is a level of substance and of quality in nature, and it exists everywhere, and consciousness exists in the fabric of space. The absolute universe is above that, and that's all levels of spirit. That is, aspects of the unseen. Continuity of consciousness exists after what we call physical death, as far as I'm concerned. All this data confirms that. And so there's all kinds of life forms within other realms that are interpenetrating this space. So, and some of them are at very high levels. That is, they truly are all spirit. But there are various gradations. So when I say it's within and without, all of our self, all of our high spirit self does not come into this state-of-day self because we have not yet built enough infrastructure to be a host, a satisfactory host for it.